This is for your sacrum, coccyx, inner pubic bone, at saka sa mismong ating pelvis. Okay? Up. Sige, up. Yan. Very good. Diretso yung tuhod. Okay? Tigasan yung puwet. Labanan ng aking pag-open. Good one. Ay! How is it? Naramdaman mo yung muscles mo? Contract?
Na-stretch.
Good.